Friday and happy Veterans Day if you are celebrating in the United States today. Thank you to all of those who have served our country. But this is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. This one is for those of you who not only want to work from home, but want to make really decent money. I think that is probably all of us. So we will not waste any time. We will just dive on in. Today's job lead is from the company Bintech. Now, they are hiring a customer support specialist. This is remote within the United States. This is a full-time position, and the salary for this position is anywhere from $28 an hour all the way up to $33 an hour. Now, Bintech is a technology company that believes that education is a human right, so they develop different software solutions to deliver the same level of education that we get to those who have disabilities and may not have the same level of understanding and learning that we do. So this opportunity is working with one of their companies, Bookshare. Now, Bookshare is a service that Bintech provides. It's a software service to help people with print disabilities have access to content and different books. So Bookshare is looking for a customer support specialist to add strength to their customer support team. So basically, you'll be helping people access content and books for those who have print disabilities. You'll be serving as first-line support for their Bookshare customers. That includes not only members, but also educators in the education space and partnering libraries. You'll work to collaborate across the organization to resolve any technical issues that the members are having. So you'll provide service and support to the internal and external customers, not only by phone, but also by email. You'll manage and document their member interactions. You'll help assist any educators with account management and technical support requests they have for their students. You'll analyze any existing accounts, check them for errors, and otherwise monitor the overall data integrity of the membership database. You'll support members with desktop, web, and mobile applications to make sure they can access the Bookshare content. Now, they are looking for someone who has a passion and spirit for learning. They need someone who is able to work independently as well as collaboratively with a team, someone who can be flexible, someone who is a great problem solver, someone who is great attention to detail and the little bitty complex things that make that a detail, and someone who can demonstrate competence in, again, Microsoft Office, all of those things. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I hope you have a fabulous weekend ahead, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.